Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: renting out your space, Airbnb, hosting and vacation rentals. If you are interested in earning extra income by renting out your space, whether it's a spare room, an entire home or a vacation property, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore the world of Airbnb hosting and vacation rentals. So let's get started. Introduction to Airbnb hosting and vacation rentals. Airbnb hosting and vacation rentals have become increasingly popular in recent years. It's a fantastic opportunity for property owners to earn money by providing accommodations to travelers. Whether you have a spare room, an investment property, or a vacation home, renting it out can be a lucrative venture. Understanding the Airbnb platform. Airbnb is a popular online platform that connects travelers with hosts who are offering accommodations. To get started, you will need to create an Airbnb account and create a listing for your space. Ensure that your listing provides accurate and detailed information about the property, including amenities, nearby attractions, and house rules. Preparing your space for guests. Before welcoming guests, it's essential to prepare your space to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay. Clean your property thoroughly, declutter the space, and provide essential amenities such as fresh linens, toiletries, and kitchen supplies. Consider adding personal touches like welcome notes or local recommendations to enhance the guest experience. Setting competitive pricing. Pricing your rental appropriately is crucial for attracting guests and maximizing your earnings. Research similar listings in your area to get an idea of the market rates. Consider factors like location, amenities, and seasonality when setting your prices. You can adjust your rates based on demand and events happening in your area. Optimizing your listing. To stand out among the competition, it's important to optimize your Airbnb listing. Use high-quality photos and showcase the unique features of your space. Write a compelling and detailed description that highlights the key selling points of your property. Be responsive to inquiries and reviews to build a positive reputation. Guest communication and check-in process. Effective communication with your guests is key to successful hosting experience. Respond to inquiries promptly and provide clear instructions for the check-in process. Ensure that guests have all the necessary information about accessing the property, parking, and any specific rules or regulations they need to be aware of. Providing a positive guest experience. To receive positive reviews and attract more bookings, it's important to provide a positive guest experience. Ensure that your property is well maintained, address any issues promptly, and be responsive to guest inquiries or concerns. Consider providing additional amenities or services to enhance the overall experience. Managing bookings and availability. As a host, you will need to manage bookings and availability effectively. Keep your calendar up to date to avoid double bookings and ensure that you are available to accommodate guests during their desired dates. Consider setting minimum stay requirements, especially during peak seasons or weekends. Legal and safety considerations. Before renting out your space, it's crucial to be aware of any legal requirements and safety considerations. Familiarize yourself with local regulations, permits, and taxes associated with short-term rentals. Ensure that your property meets safety standards and consider obtaining appropriate insurance coverage. Congratulations, you have learned about Airbnb hosting and vacation rentals. Remember, create an Airbnb account, prepare your space for guests, set competitive pricing, optimize your listing, communicate effectively with guests, provide a positive guest experience, manage bookings and availability, and consider legal and safety considerations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.